Ayan si ano ko.
What's the company?
Company ko po now. Financed by Sutherland po.
Yung company.
Controller Credit.
Condor Credit.
Yes.
Hi, good afternoon. Is this Concorda?
Concora Credit.
Concora Credit. I've lost $13,000 on my credit card. What?
Credit card pala, no? May debit card na lang, baby.
I've lost $13,000 on my debit card account. What can I do? What should I do?
I totally understand where you're coming from. Me also, as a customer, I know how frustrated you are. So the first thing that you need to do is to report that on your credit protection, which is they can help you how to replace your card or the amount that you usually use on sometimes you purchase. And also, you can also give us a call back on this caller ID number 1-800-946-0422.
Okay, thank you. But I already did report multiple times on your company. What is the thing that I can do as of the moment?
If you don't mind me asking, sir, when is the last time that you reported?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. So just wait 14 calendar days to be reflected on your card. Thank you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga call center agents.
So, meron pa tayong isa dito.